World business analysts at long last understand that ongoing monetary frameworks are defective and shaky. The world necessitates a significantly more steady and solid cash. Blockchains were created by researchers on a calculation that could resolve the issues concerning supportability and adaptability. Be that as it may, there actually stayed a few inquiries unanswered. On numerous occasions, the mixture agreement component of blockchain and different tokens spinning around it has likewise been in warm conversations. Before we dive into the Tezos cost expectation, let us examine a portion of the interesting highlights of Tezos. Notwithstanding, not many organizations have really gone into tending to the interoperability gives that present different bottlenecks for the exchanging local area. Tremendous exchange expenses and absence of straightforwardness are significant obstacles in deductively created stages. Numerous cryptographic forms of money neglected to change these issues. Digital forms of money like Tezos has continuously infested the standard awareness and gotten some forward momentum. It has stood the trial of times and will keep on doing so gave it sees a mass reception. Presently, XTZ cost is exchanging around $3.80, with a practically 3% climb throughout the course of recent hours. The market capitalization of Tezos is $3,360,141,385 with $876,591,071.11 XTZ flowing as of now. Since its initiation, the token has been contending hard areas of strength for and its opponent digital currencies. On more than one occasion in the year 2020, it had seen the most noteworthy heightening in cost around $4. Yet, this pattern didn't keep going long and tumbled to $1.03. By November 2020, the Tezos cost confronted a rectification and penetrated a functioning help level, yet shockingly pandemic appeared to be not to influence Tezos. Running against the norm, it showed a through and through various development. In June 2020, it kept on having a vertical swing, with Tezos cost exchanging around $2.07. During the start of the last year, the XTZ coin was exchanging beneath $2 with huge bullish energy. Around last May, Tezos has denoted another high of $7.50 in the midst of huge unpredictability. From that point onward, it tumbled to the low of around $2.15 in the last mid-July. Nonetheless, from that point forward, the XTZ has stamped steady cost rise, and on October 4, 2021, it enlisted an unsurpassed high of $9.18. Be that as it may, in the wake of hitting an ATH, it confronted enormous negative strain and recorded persistent fall till day. Going by the specialized cost examination, Tezos has shown gigantic potential, reliably performing and recuperating the lost worth. XTZ today denotes an impressive energy, prompting a seriously bullish example supported areas of strength for buy. While the urgent improvements have influenced the XTZ USD cost, pushing them in a positive course, the market is by all accounts holding significantly more commitment in the years to come. An obstacle in the method of the thriving of Tezos digital currency is that it is enormously dependent on decentralized applications at which the costs are simply reliant upon market development. The opponents of Tezos viz. ETH, EOS, and Monero are contenders of the equivalent game. Subsequently, to expect an extremely high bonus benefit on XTZ is completely DApps market situated. As per the most recent long-haul Tezos cost gauge, the coin cost will hit $5 by the center of 2022 and afterward $10 toward the finish of 2024. As indicated by late long-haul gauges, the cost of Tezos will cross $13.58 toward the finish of 2022, $9.81 toward the finish of 2023, and $59.88 toward the finish of 2025. Tezos will then be valued at $48.18 in 2027 and $168.68 in 2030. On the off chance that XTZ lives to the point of seeing 2025. That would mean the venture endured over the extreme long haul, conveyed the arranged item, and has a steady, developing client base. That implies XTZ would cost around $55 per coin. The determined Tezos cost toward the finish of 2022 is $5.64. In 2022, we hope to see $5.24 per 1 Tezos. In the main portion of 2023, the Tezos cost will move to $6.93. In the last part, the cost would add $1.56 and close the year at $8.49. Contending and propping in the extreme business sectors, XTZ is a computerized cryptographic money that has raised its own height, being known as an advanced or virtual resource with no coordinated factors or state borders imperatives. One digital currency will not show homage focal government pressures or be affixed and damaged in administrative financial shackles. Pandemic has brought to front a mechanical unrest has shown a reference point to financial backers as XTZ, and thinks about what all with simply a web association and a cell phone. Tezos has made it feasible for everybody to store and move esteem in a cache that is impervious to control, upheld by an upgraded decentralized accord and supported network. XTZ means to offer a well-established benefit to its clients by disseminating its prizes component. The vision is to help the decentralized applications in XTZ, consuming lesser energy and offering greater unwavering quality, all with a soaring rate. No different either way. This vision is accomplished by giving the ceaseless limit of XTZ's principal organization, striving to impact the world guide of innovation. The whole biological system guarantees that members benefit from blockchain-empowered useful benefits. XTZ works with gains and fabricates trust. XTZ empowers comfort and supports confidence, assisting clients with building fortunes, conveying different decentralized application capabilities. When the engineers join the detachment, they are profited from a tremendous scope of freedoms, incorporating Sending D app and Tezos.net, developing their organizations dramatically, building up some momentum as powerhouses and naturally suspected pioneers. Tezos Value Forecast 2022. In the event that all market factors turn for Tezos, this digital money cost will perform extravagantly, scaling the top as previously mentioned, violating all constraints over the course of the following year. Despite the fact that it might show a few slow patterns, it would definitely give indications of fortune for its financial backers. Upheld by vigorous savvy gets, the Tezos cost may effortlessly contact $5.60 before the year's over 2022. Tezos Value Expectation 2023. The geniuses cut the usefulness behind Tezos cryptographic money. Thus, over a time of, say, 3 years, the token is set to hurry up with different coins to show up at a $6 minus $6.80 cost. Financial backers, be that as it may, need to keep an eye out for any unanticipated variables. No one could foresee the pandemic. Tezos Value Forecast 2024. Keeping in context. There are no boomerang impacts in the cryptographic money markets. Tezos is good to go to certify areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. The street ahead is loaded with petals, gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Tezos coin cost, taking it across all obstructions, scaling $8. Tezos Value Forecast 2025. A stunning confidence is likewise anticipated for the XTZ cost, fundamentally because of its reliable exhibition throughout the long term. Subsequently, this year will be a super gold mine for the cryptographic money market, as the valued computerized resource will outperform all assumptions and flood in front of its significant opposition level. Seeing an ascent more than ever, the Tezos cost makes certain to cross another untouched high of $10 from where it stands today. Tezos Value Expectation 2026. Almost certainly. A simple-to-utilize Tezos is great. It is more practical and promising when it is not difficult to spend. Tezos laid out a quick, dependable organization and worked with the client experience of the item. These elements can assist the XTZ with estimating increment a lot higher to the new all-time high around the $12 mark. In the event that the drive for practical crypto go on into 2026, the Tezos value changes might try and see a tremendous development in the following couple of years. Numerous crypto market guides dread that